Hi, it's Bridget here with BridgetWillard.com. I want to talk to you a little bit about paying attention to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a really important tool for networking and connecting with your peers and with recruiters, which people don't like because they're kind of the car salesman of LinkedIn, but it's good to know them, and also your customers, potential jobs. But basically, LinkedIn is for your professional life. So if you're blogging, if you have a service, if you have a product, you should be spending about 5 minutes a day on LinkedIn. And I've been helping some of my friends and clients with the LinkedIn strategy. So I thought I would make a little video and kind of talk about it. All right. So what you're going to want to do is build this into your habit. So sign into LinkedIn in the morning, check all your notifications, and then find 2 or 3 things to comment on in a normal way, not hit me up, I build websites, right? And then find something to post. So we're at 1 minute and 27 seconds. So let me show you what you can do in just a few minutes. All right, let's go. So I'm logged in. One of the things LinkedIn does is they will tell you things that are more relevant because people that you're connected to commented on it. Now you have sort by top or sort by recent. So I could definitely sort by recent, and a lot of times you see things from people you're not connected to. So I'm not connected to Tobias Young. He's a third degree or more, but I am connected to Nicholas, and because I'm connected to Nicholas and he likes it, this is an opportunity for me to comment if it was something that was relevant, but it's not. Pressable is my managed host, and I love them so much. Bradley and everybody in support are so great. So I might like this. Maybe I'll make a comment. I could say, I love your hosting so much, and especially the support that I get from the team led by, let's see if Bradley's here. Maybe I'm spelling it. Everybody has a different way of spelling Bradley. No, I'm not connected. Oh, here he is, Bradley Hill, right? So that's something they did. So I just commented. I'm just barely in this. Shada likes this. So I'm like, okay, well, that's recent. Let's go back to top. Top is going to be populated with things LinkedIn recommends to you based upon your behavior. If you're not seeing things that you think are relevant, then you need to change your behavior so you can retrain LinkedIn. So Rhonda, who's my designer, a really good friend, she's saying government resumes that include a link to LinkedIn profile will automatically be disqualified. Could be used to discriminate. I'm like, okay, that's weird. But she is a spouse of the military, and so, she wants people to know that. Robert's saying, yeah, the social media in the hiring process is a topic he's spoken on in the past. And I'm like, oh, wow. I can say something like, oh, wow, I had no idea. But it seems like, I guess if you link to your LinkedIn profile, they can see your age, your demographics. That can make sense. So here is something from Big Orange Heart. They're having an event. Here's content from my friend Tess, who's a writer in the construction industry. She says, check your website to ensure your phone number is easily found. Put your telephone number on your website. Don't be like the 60% of small businesses that don't and lose out on potential sales. Oh, that is a great reminder. Phone numbers are even more important now that social distancing is becoming the norm. Okay, so I've already commented on 2 or 3 things. I don't know. Now let's find one of my blog posts that I want to share. Let's see, blog. Let's see. I shared this one yesterday, so I share my Tom. Oh, this is a good one. Auditing your blog post. So I could just put the link there, and that would look super stupid. What I like to do is, I like to look at some of the content, that I've actually written. So don't be just willy-nilly. I like this sentence, and I'll go back up to the top. Don't just willy-nilly delete posts that are older than X years. These aren't tax records, it's content. Content is easier to revise and create, so be mindful. And then I'll grab my link, and then I'll paste it. Make sure the featured image shows up. Click post, and I'm done. Now, pay attention to this part right here. Who's viewed your profile, views of your post. When you click this, you can see all the activity of your posts or your articles, right? So it is important to write articles on LinkedIn as well, or repurpose content on LinkedIn. But what I like about this is it shows you how many people have seen things. So I talked about this, I shared it, there's 67 views. This is my ebook, 66 views. When you click that, it will tell you who saw it. 66 people saw it. Let's zoom back out. 4 people have the title marketing specialist, 4 salespeople, 4 founders, Los Angeles, Cincinnati, Phoenix, Las Vegas, Fort Myers, Florida, London. So it will tell you information about that, and then you can get a better idea of what's going on. 247 views of my logos. Software developer, salesperson. This is good because this is my demographic. Orange County, that's where I live. Phoenix, lots of friends there. San Diego, right next to us. So it's important to spend 5 minutes and contribute to the conversation. Don't spam people. Don't just write them messages in their inbox saying, I do this and that and whatever, and if you have any work. That's not how you get work. You get work by showing your portfolio, by being a human being that's polite and respectful. So those are my LinkedIn tips for today. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.